How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can combine two photos in GIMP together. Now, there's a million ways to do this, but in today's video, I'll show you on how you can blend them perfectly or in a way that it doesn't basically intertwine with each other. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to open up my images. I'm going to click on open, and then let's simply open the images that I have on my computer. After adjusting your first image, you could just click on the file once more. And for this one, you want to select the open as layer so it will be added as a new layer right here. Now, that's really important because we don't want the same photo in the same layer. So I'm just going to do the same thing, which is to import one of my images right here. Now, this is going to be totally random, but generally it's going to work the same for all of the images. And basically from there, after adjusting the second image, I want it to be something like this. You want to click on the first layer. In my case, it's going to be this one. And then you want to select the Add Layer Mask option, which is going to be this one. So select the white full opacity, click on Add, and then you want to select the mask layer right here. So head over to Tools, and then you want to look for the gradient tool. It's going to be this one. You can also see that right here, but sometimes it's not on the toolbox or on the shortcut, but generally you will be able to see the gradient on here. So after making sure that you have selected the layer mask, you could just drag and drop your gradient tool onto the image itself. And basically from there, you will get this image blend the way you want to. So you could fully customize this according to your preference, but that's basically how you do it. And this way you will be able to blend your images together without being too rough on the surface. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.